Hello. Welcome to... Today, I'm looking for a mallard duck, a common duck species found all across the world. I began my search at Bear Creek East, with my friends Davey and Alex joining me. To start the count, we got a great look at a song sparrow. We spotted downy woodpeckers foraging.
Do the thing. How fun is that? Yeah, awesome. Oh yeah, there's this little red head though. Oh.
Ravens soared in the sky. And rock pigeons sat on a telephone pole. There was a small army of northern flickers present. Wow, he's still doing some work. All the savings.
Yeah, you really. Brother, don't you know it's the Sabbath?
They hopped along the tree trunks, performing their famous mating rituals.
I like this one. It's good at finding me.
European starlings and red-winged blackbirds flocked in the marshy areas of the park. We spotted black-billed magpies. And hairy woodpeckers. And as we rounded a small bend in the creek, we found our mallards. We took a moment to appreciate the ducks.
You know what we should call this hydro chicken?
What?
A duck. We should call it a duck, because it ducks in the water.
And bid farewell to our bird of the day.